Okay, abusia yɛbɛma obi bia kwaba shronkosto aba POG Media so. Mesho se afei na wabaso a obe like na wa subscribe na afei so etima share dwumadi no ama afoforo nso nsa etumi aka. Ensam ekoso my Ghana mu a yenso ya de pene yese brane no yɛbɛmi abedwafo ehunu ne eko ene de eba na de ensam ene ekoso our political highway so. Eye chairman Wontumi ana chese ne ho atwe no ne nyina eye kotikwan so bia ofa adihwia maame bia ye frɛ no mama China ne 16 excavators a ne nyina ne se meje excavators na mrepa mu no meba bitu aka wei Wontumi sha maame no eda ne ka ontimi enchieska no ana chese ofa kotikwan so ema chese Interpol for etimi pamo maame no efri Ghana ha se ne obefa ne ho adi nende aban asesa chese maame no etimi asaba awuram ewo Ghana watimi Ȯrděrš Jubilee House ekomeki complaints ema His Excellency Ťr0ublě Mahama chese Ťr0ublě Mahama so osiade yo watimi ama NDC ora team no etimi retrieve that 16 excavators na Wontumi chairman Wontumi ewia no omo etimi retrieve that 16 excavators na busuame no kase Wontumi nsa eguniti a osu mama na we yasem wako akwakoji excavators all in the name of say me de koye adwuma na emrepa mu no meba bitu aka na maame ne dan wo ka esan say maaban ena wo power nti na Wontumi etimi ene chese Interpol for ahyehye ho amo omo etimi apamo maame no African ha ya chese maame no eti se abanya sesana chese onu so agbawura mo Ghana ha me no kasa di 16 excavators stolen by Wontumi no His Excellency Ťr0ublě Mahama on the NDC ora team no etimi retrieve inse abusuami waste time kra me person be me yakọ akotie de course na sana be kono me sure se o wansam ka bia o de be share your comment section wala like share dwumadi no ma foforo so nsa entumi enkebi me damase
oton excavator ne mama China or warehouse kese tema on ye China trucks ni ade ni nyina Wontumi kwaje more than 16 excavator brand new excavator ba ko ye $160,000 e bi cry $240 16 Wontumi wie ye no wantua wo eno wasan so ma ye chi maame ne call national security for pa omunye san bi mu nse mama China Wontumi amaya ambo maame ne anko back from Interpol and Franco China because na maame ne dan ne ka enti saade e so aban influence almost san return maame na Wontumi ade ndisi for de be Wontumi kroma no ono akese obenu ne ho the way almost see mini Wontumi afa ono fin say o de aban influence e ma ye de maame ne nkofo na ye san bo mo back de mo ko e na won say maame ne so wa be ye dwuma anti ono anu wo say odi akira odi say scan chia e be problem mama no enti ense so odi akira and ujaye Wontumi afa maame ni sika more than 16 excavator ofa na uye nipa bonisem obi foreigner wa best establish e wo kuro ni ma o ye adwuma a onu kita ne sources te say aban ni nkofo nyina no bi age niema wo maame no na nko ankoje niema be over 16 excavator na wantua na wo say because of or down kentine ese say o ye foreigner ntia somebody nko back. So what I said, Sanya mani nyina no e na Ghana fo ni ade ehun se maame no oyo obi a o fanko fo adwuma mo e wo kroma no munye adwuma eye na manfo nso oma eboa Wontumi 2016 na omo ye adwuma nyina enei ebi ko ebi nya akwa wo national security money ade a issue ba ya ye san captain Kodama ye bi omo ko gina court a omo edi asisi ya me no kasa nyina san ko fo no ye wie aban ye wie so mo da so report no ebufuo ni ade a Wontumi ho ebufuo party executive ankofo a party chairman sa ewo nyina ade na wo mo ye hwehwem no wo na ye do to hwehwem na no ni camp na kofo chairman for koto abama Bawumia na Bawumia wi ni ye no mo de aban ho ode mfam a omo wi ni ya kredi oye bi no ade nti na wo che me so so wan fa ma se ye hwehwem no kofo se Wontumi asan akodi o party chairman ono asan akodi se o na campaign chairman enti chairman for na obi omo bebu bi ombenya adwuma ni bia ye no one ne bako andi namha na Wontumi namha andi namha na ene tese Bawumia sika nyina san kofo mi ni ene di sika ni enti na ya manfo bufu ade na chairman san wanfa eno ambem Sasanya man see it, no, Naman for party for na Nijina or Yababa, only Nijina one no part where we are, say about Santa Regina, so we could Jina ballot box on that, or be a die. See, be show Akuffo no more. Until before I Akuffo fan won't me on, and what the other now we are one for Sammy, one farmer. Now, any pan before I would say, any pa 15, only now make the same million and they will Bawumia bus, only now Bawumia bus. Until then, a month for party for there 5. And now, what you have, Nipa 15, 7, 7. So what I say, Bakunya 8, Bakunya 7. What you Bawumia call for 8, a party for near what Ashanti region, or the 47. I didn't want farm to say, okay, young for 7 3 party, an independent, young for independent 5, young for Bawumia call for 5, young for party for also 5. Near for Mission, now one yet, Sam, when you say, then outcome, Ben, Baba. So what I say, a new free one. Yensan you say, Wontumi promise say MVP is serious, Kasami General Secretary na chairman, Kawacho letter my Wontumi, because on the bar say, so when you're 47 now, or why they were you know the video no me war. And now we thanking. Aha. I don't know my promise we not chairman sabut. When to young friend mama say, you no promise now, oh my, you know. A prayer come say, me 47 a man, you know, so back cooperative, I resigning. No crack on a man you see. Utra who died in Manu, you know, na party you see now day by second in Japan. Religion count. Yeah, she see any part 55 and a war because of Bawumia and don't say Bawumia and Shassi. And Nico for I will see our northern region, and more than 1 week, and more than 1 week. Nina, and one man nordness, no, a buffoon, no, one woman, a buffoon, what a slow. And you been a water here, walk cancer. Now, Běěn, once a Hajia, Lord Nesiku. What is a Christophobia, and your mapper, who said, I bind a moment, scar, bind a Jarvis, a moment, bind a moment, takes Jericho, and any Christopher, so who is like a one by that. Minority, ain't me, majority. Can you find a door, so check your 2 baby, Moonkai, so we are babonting. I just say. I said before I never to me at about or man, so many national green. Ediba, sorry. So, family, not as rough for him, Saquanche, yet to a baby or say, no more the young man, because no more the Yajima, Ediama, Yurama, no more the Yaquanche. No man, as so many. Why not so say Christo for never to about Yama, Muslim? Because ye need Arab country, no, baby, Muslim had donated more. What me, emphatic for you, quiet president or that. And I be a Christo François donating more. Won't in fact a Muslim quiet president that a simple knowledge into near Wokan. The assessor in Nipani Wokuman will be a night. I can't be Běěn or out to photographs and for them say, Sir, young papa penny man, ye baby. Master, one of my desperate here, Ghana phone and ye desperate. Bawumia bed do, obey you should do. Yan to abandon so. Yeah, Nanka. Because once a hero achievement samples, Ghana phone say. Ni hu yehwa nti obia timidi ya nani wunyam so atase nti amanfo bu no pa beto no ankasa na waye mistake nti na bible say obi umie na no anipa mie na no a yebu ni nyansafo na so obie wa no a ene bu say nti dada ni nyina no ka parliament nsem Ghana nsem nti ni die bia Ghana wo no ye de man be say oba bonten na unse won sama ye ka o parliament no ye emra na wo ba bonten so abeka media asem ne de se woni media so asem kasa nje fe ne nkofo hu ni se chimeza bunzu no se wo ye nyansafo so what I say first ne nkofo bu ni se o ye obi a on the value no but ene ye obi na ni obi a hu se chimeza bunzu se wo jini o ye nyansafo what I say because asem a wo de ba ye no ne nsese enka wo cancer because Ashanti region no party na kuma party na ho di nyina ya Ashanti region it is all back on now be can say the whole party no 98% see religion in my mind the cancer as a religion any abatu me see me tie Collins na ke beto abandia man enti sa wo be cancer amanfo be hu sa wo di nkofo ho adwen ho abro say wonim say religion any abatu na mo ye hwehwemu no mo say about 98% no enyina say enye religion na eniema bi e course a eniema ben.
Because you know something, they know that when they come, they have to accept the fact that omunoma causing the destruction of your education. Now, because of the guilt and the continuous damage they have done to Ghanaians, they always run away from their mess. Oh, Mahama Pam Nipebi a yefa omodjuma on the 7th of December. Nkwasiafo matena bemu 8 years. Went to Manfani Pejuma on the 7th of December na ofanipa. We are dying. Now Abambia Bano said those nipa na form on the 7th, they should be sacked because Sankabe for Mojuma and also for Mojuma 4 years ago, and yes 7 December now be free abemuno and you for the Pejuma. Almost say because of that ninti, sa education forum way munko. You see the kind of people we are dealing with. Well, the kind of foolish animals we are dealing with. It's your tiny deal matema. And your personal, and your party no omwe Jimmy. And we want Ghanaians to know, say, we have a political party filled with animals. LA animals. And more bebre. And the party filled with old and young people who don't think about the development of this nation. On said 2014, no say James about the team. 2014 na omo party mu nyina ende omo tuefu dwene a yare adokro. They were all in it. They came back in 2016, they destroyed the education. They are back again today. Mombranian solve a problem now. Almost say chen ya ma. Enti adiachi 4 years na Ghana fo ejiminti ne asako sala ise nwan ne ato aba mankwase afo mama ba sa be sei kuro no. Mo papa ko fo ba ye obedi sika e wo Ghana. Ekofa akola ketekete ma ne betwetwe ne bema ebetam $200,000 koye. Owie e no koye gold chain tu kom. E no osama ne nkofo gold chains. Ghana at 50, a forensic audit was done. A commission which has power, like the High Court said, Akuffo is a criminal. Akuffo himself, they need to go to jail. More down to Kroma Masankwasi Afoya Sadano Mohasa Ababe Kachira say. Monto Abama Mamudi Tumi Mamu 2016. And they have destroyed your education. You are calling them to come to a table for us to think how to revive our education. Almost omunye. Into we are Ghana near Unim Nyansa. Why should you follow such a piglet party? Mr. S, these same people boycotted the 1992 Constitution. Pull the dock for me. Because you have 4 way. Team, I remember very well, the same MPP in 1992, Ghana Constitution, no Constitution, no Bibiano, they boycotted the Constitution. We want your toilet now when you have studies to be an MPP for Tiana. So MPP near ye dina sheni deep or sabwa. Meso MPP near menye bibia ye dina sheni deep. Ya kasa should be deeper. For o second eye na wo tim sheni ye. Uhun ye pa to so as a keti as a boa. Ana mo de amunya time pa mu MPP for nyabotre e bi te se abronye begina wenima ye dina sheni deep. Ernesto Wusubempa ye dina sheni deep chema Wontumi deep Akuffo do gina sheni deep nyabotre e ka se wo be deeper sheni soul ubo so sa boa won say moa Oma say moa. And that is them. Take your time and watch them. They change. They so say person who's MPP for a moi or doom them light. Let's saw a torchlight almost. Almost shadow never to one. It will be a boa beba. Ebi no secret no man can't tell. Me say so person who's MPP for a moi. Said I doom damn light. Let's saw torchlight to almost. Almost shadow never to dine on. Obi a boa be yini. Obo se bo touch better so no than aketia. Obo better so than mampam. Obo better so than abrechi. Me say, o de who MPP ni a chene the doom light na so touch to no so. We mo nyan, we mo moa. Ah. Me minimum go for you. I deal with them. They don't care about you. They see Ghana for say Jimmy. These are animals. These are ingrates. They don't think about you and I. Their only thing is that party mbra power ne yenche say japade. Entiende education omo be say no. Yati kromama enkwara ko school no muni books omesua ade wom. No muni books omo read. Syllabus kra no muni bi. Mombra na yen nyina yen kan ya adwene bom. Na yen san chichiri kro no education na omo say fa fe. Me say one day omo ya congress of conference mundum light na mumbie torch into omo so. E wona bo say zoo no mugum. Me say mo de mo tete omo one day ka so omo ya conference so dey ndien a mo share doom light no na mumbie torch into omo so. E wona bo say we animals kingdom. Obati fi pa obati kwa obati wo obati obati fi emwankwa MPP for me see doom light na so torch to am so you will see the inner them. How can we build a nation with such animal characters? How can we build a nation like that? And these things should tell you something. This is not a political party any Ghanaian should take serious. Now, let me tell you. In time, Messiah, get me the full story. Get me the story. These same people boycotted the 1992 Constitution, the MPP. It is not a lie. This is the typical MPP for you. A foolish tribal party. NPP boycott of 1992 parliamentary election was a mistake. Hakman Usu Ajman. Or who draws MPP mu. And you pay for the party no. Or say, we boycotting the 1992 Constitution was a mistake. So he's admitting they boycotted it. The reason why he was saying it's a mistake was that they wanted to, if they had thought of it, they would have gone to infiltrate the Constitution with their stupid tribal tendencies. And then because Oman you know one term. San komo dwene won tem a ankomo committee nim constitution ko ekofa omahinie ene omo nkwasi tribe ni be hihye mu ene no eye omo ya enye constitution oman join ne say entro no hakman owusu agima onhuru nchansi mu MPP mu hakman owusu agima or a founding member of the NPP or say they boycotted the constitution now. NPP's boycott of the 1992 parliamentary elections was a mistake. They boycotted the parliamentary elections and they boycotted the constitution. These people, no, you cannot trust them. They are people, they are not there to help Ghana do anything. Parliamentary, 1992, Omanko. Yeah, constitution, 1992, Omanya part. Senchi Forum, National Economic Development Forum, Omanko. Yasaba, Yababa, another educational forum, national, almost Omanko. Why should any Ghanaian vote for such animals? Why should any Ghanaian get up and go say me MPP? Actually, with Jimmy. Yeah. So when you would say MPP followers, when they are having a discussion, and they say be Facebook, they are in a group discussion, and now TikTok, they are in a group discussion. Now we now would say, oh, nasa uti o ma. Ubebusa say, hey, a day na one mwa wite. I'm telling you for a fact. You can't group of Jimmy Pa Sanko Forum. I am telling you, when you join or when you were scrolling on social media, now uko pie omo discussion so as a group of NPP supporters as a group MPP ni ND supporters MPP supporters as a group no mudin komo about omo partner. So unya butena uti omo because damn yama mwa frame. They cannot think beyond omo party no. It is all about na yedie na we die na yedie. Now, when someone pay us them, now we say when I phone them pay us them. Share the entire just say, "No more Jimiana." We are talking about a political party that should represent every Ghanaian, irrespective of your political background, religious affiliation, your ethnic affiliation. It's supposed to be a party that represents the people. But so good see na so omudin komo, na so omuti na almost three, na almost discuss your party na. Utibu say yes, you are in the midst of animals. Odi aye nya abutre aya nya abutre ne tie MPP for omo kasa men kebi tie omo obeka say na we ye tie omo anase ye nyem omo anase ye ne omo. You'll be shocked. Their level of intelligence, the way they understand issues, the way they think Ghanaians think, the way they underestimate Ghana for. And the funny thing is, 99% of MPP supporters are grassy for. Yeah. They are typical villagers. 99% of MPP for wa abruchri no mu guwurem ne so mo abruchri. 90% no mu nkrinda. I'm telling you, I'm going to approach a bluebird Charlie. Me say 90% of NPP supporters of Mua Bruchri, about 80%. They have no perspective. They have nothing, no knowledge. They were green, bush cows. And yet, the only trip they made in their life and a year long, from Ukrasi to Accra before playing Babruchri. I'm telling you. They say the only tripper MPP for majority of Ťr0ublě, MPP for Ťr0ublě, the only tripper making in their life, and they say you better move free wurem or to two, and so for see from brand crying. Or say wurem to say cocoa about 8. They say, some go from Massachusetts, Bronx, Omumubino, Google UK. MPP for and MPP for me say no mugu wuram ebo 6 abeti amutiti miaso ejimi for enkurase for omugu maso onkura omagu 88 no ebe for obukoye. If you don't have any perspective, they don't understand why somebody should disagree with them. They don't understand why things should change. They don't understand why amamwone yebu no enye wofa na wo se ebu. They don't understand. They don't have that perspective to understand. Say, so being free one time more, no to be Ghana. So they don't get it because they know they say okwe fuom. About on see another about say improve car. Into no. The only say no offer. Say ne papa wa ne offer no ne on ne kodi ne offer there. Into the team no or take governance when they present or see a tuna or say.
Okay, abusia enti wenen so much as a course all political hiring is what to say. Chairman Wontumi man na de o pe NPP mu nipa oye nipa boni nipa dia ye beka se eye chairman Wontumi. Esan say esi dey na otimi ko ekogi obi 16 excavators. China ni ono waba wura Ghana mu ha wa establish business amankofo ensa etimi ko mo no Wontumi etimi ko ekwaji 16 excavators e de ko share ne galamsey adwuma ase ebe wi ase na afede wasama interpofo etimi apamo maame no Afri Ghana ha ya chese na hye Wontumi trimu se wafa ne ho adi wafa excavators no fule a chese John Dramani Mahama ntia ye nya ne se watimi ama NDC Ora team etimi akọ retrieve that 16 excavators stolen by Wontumi no chese maame no ani agye Wontumi so ensagunity a otini so nti abusia me dimbisia na madam asesamo je pene e kotin sema ekoso political hiring so POG Media any political trending stories make headlines no no say na wonsa e beka update ni na madam ase